Hi everybody. Today I'm going to be painting on this 20 by 20 canvas, and I'm going to mix my first color for you so you see how I do it, and then I'll show you the rest of my colors. I'm going to fill this cup up halfway with the paint. Then I have mixed my pour medium in here. I have 1 part glue all, 1 part water, and 2 parts Floetrol. And I'm going to fill it up the rest of the way. So it's 1 part paint, 1 part pouring medium. And then just stir. It shouldn't need any water at all with these paints. These are most of the ones I'm using today are Color Place paints from Walmart. Let me move this out of the way. Okay, let me show you the rest of my colors. This is Liquitex Basic Deep Magenta. This is Color Place. And it is Argyle is the name of the color. Also Color Place, this is Raspberry Pink. And I have Yellow, exclamation. I'm going to do 4 flip cups. Let me clean that off the canvas first. All right. I'm going to start with white. And these colors that I showed you, everything except for the white, has 8 drops of silicone. It's a 16-ounce cup. So that's 1 drop for 2 ounces. And so let's put this deep turquoise in here. Pour it down the side of the cup. I'm going to try to keep them layered in there. I don't want them to mix together. Now for the raspberry pink. And cup 3. You can hear the birds singing out here. I'm outside, well actually in my garage. So we have accompaniment with bird songs. Argyle. This is a pretty color. Greenish yellow. And number 4. And the deep magenta. Although this is a Liquitex Basics, it works just perfectly fine with these house paints. They're all acrylic. I never realized that house paints were acrylic until this year. And these paints you can purchase at Walmart for under $13 a gallon, and they are excellent. They have every color in the rainbow, every shade and hue, and exclamation. 2. Cup number 3. And those all look perfectly even. I'm proud of myself. I inevitably get one a lot fuller than the others. Okay. Let's flip them. You know what? No, I was going to put some white on the, well, I am. I'm going to put some white on the top. I'm sorry you can't see this. It just take a second. Okay. Beautiful. Okay. I'm going to let those sit for just a second. And I'll move these colors out of the way so that I don't knock anything over while I'm dragging those cups. Whoops. Okay. I could wait longer. I think they're down by now, though. Let's go ahead and flip them. Pretty. Oops. I hate when I do that. Try to get that line out of there. There. And the last one. Okay. I'm going to go your way first. Let me give it a torque before I move it anymore. Well, there you go. A lot of cells. Beautiful. Okay, let's go your way. Sorry you can't see that. Check my sides. Make sure everything's covered. I think it is. There you have it. Thank you for watching me today. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. This is my first video. So please subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. I'll leave some additional information about my website and my Facebook page and the paints in the description box. Thanks, guys. Bye now.